Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps and signing into the account that will own the photo. This ensures contributions link to you. Grant location and storage permissions, so uploads attach accurate place data, and the app can access your images. Next, search or tap the place marker, open the place details, and choose Add a Photo. Do this now so you don't lose time switching accounts later. This first action places you directly in the upload flow and prepares metadata. Once you tap Add a Photo, choose the source, gallery, camera, or files, pick the clearest image that represents the place. Make quick edits, crop, rotate, or remove any identifying details, because clean images improve user trust and acceptance. Also verify the place pin and check the timestamp or device metadata so Google assigns it correctly. If the wrong place is selected, switch it now. Accurate context speeds approval and helps others find the exact spot you documented. You finish by tapping Upload and watching for the confirmation check or progress indicator. This shows the image is sent to Google's servers. After upload, go to your contributions, then Photos to confirm it appears. Moderation can delay visibility. If the photo fails or gets stuck, clear the app cache, update Google Maps, or try uploading from Maps. Google.com on a desktop, sometimes web uploads bypass mobile issues. Finally, make sure you use the same account and accurate place tag to avoid misplacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.